Hi, my name is Allison Chilton, and I currently live in San Antonio, Texas. My family and I moved here just about a month ago from San Diego, where we lived for the past 10 years. My husband served 24 years in the Navy as a naval officer, and he recently retired, so we decided to relocate to Texas. I have one daughter who's 14 and one son who's 12, and we just adopted a new kitten named Daisy from the Humane Society. The reason I'm taking this course is it's one of the last two prerequisites I need before starting optometry school. I was recently accepted to the Rosenberg School of Optometry here in San Antonio, and I'm going to be starting that program September of 2020. So a little bit about myself. I originally went to college and earned a bachelor's and master's degree in violin performance, and I taught violin and performed since graduating from my master's degree. About 5 years ago, I decided to switch careers, and I went back to school and started doing all the prerequisites necessary for optometry. So it's been a little bit of a journey for me, but I'm really excited to start that new program, and I look forward to taking this course. Thanks.